After logging into Nepris, on the left-hand side, it should start you in your dashboard. Go to Career Exploration and click on Explore Careers. Here you have a few options. First, try out the search by keyword. Let's look up engineer. Here you'll see many careers in the engineering field. Click on civil engineer or anyone that you choose, and the next page shows you all the information for that career. What they do, knowledge, skills, ability, their salary, personality, technology, the job outlook, and at the bottom there are also some videos of people who work in that career. Now let's go back. If you have no idea what you want, take a look by search by industry. They don't have that many options here, but there might be something that fits what you are looking for. If you find something that you like, choose it. I think I'm going to choose construction. Here it is. And now it's going to show me a lot of careers that fit the construction field. And you can add to compare. And let's add another one. Let me go back to electrical engineer. And now we can see both careers side by side. So if there are a few careers that you're interested in, this is a good way to actually look and see which one you think you like more.